Weather portion of Ag Week now, and it's all about Arctic air settling into the northern plains, the northern tier of states across the U.S., and of course all of southern Canada. It's mostly going to be very cold around these parts for the next couple of weeks, and any snow that we get will come out of that Arctic air mass for the most part, which means there may be some spots that do get inches of snow, but it's not going to be very much water, very likely. The rain, the significant moisture for the time being in this pattern is going to be down in the southern part of the United States. Here's the deal. The jet stream is buckled south. Now, this is Arctic air. It's not polar air, and we've had a taste of it around over the weekend. It'll be coming back after a brief lull. It looks like Sunday into Monday and Tuesday. It'll likely build back in on Tuesday, and we'll be going below zero for several days. The only real warmth will be down here in the southeastern states. Jet stream kind of split into two parts, but the southern branch pretty weak. This is your primary jet stream, and as we go through the week ahead, it stays pretty far south, which will allow this near or below zero air to cover most of the northern plains, western Great Lakes, out through at least the northern part of the Rockies and the generally most of Canada over this week anyway. And next week, I don't anticipate a lot of significant change. There will likely be one brief round of chilly weather down to the Gulf, but that should rebound, and mostly what you're going to see down south is the wet weather. Precipitation this week, maybe some in the northern plains, but it's not going to be heavy. Looks like at least one significant East Coast storm with a lot of rain turning to snow and snow. Cold enough in the Pacific Northwest that it'll be snow except right along the coast. The second week, nearing the latter part of January, still looking quite rainy. In the deep south, we may get one snow system up into eastern North Dakota and across the Great Lakes, and the Pacific Northwest will continue to remain wet.